going to show you how to create a successful BBNaija fan page, how you can turn your passion for BBNaija into profit. Welcome to Dr. Olubenga TV, the home of opportunities. Are you a passionate BBNaija fan looking to share your love for the show and make some extra money? Today, we will be showing you how to create a successful BBNaija fan page on social media and turn your passion into profit. Stay tuned for tips on starting, growing, and monetizing your BBNaija fan page. Number one, starting your BBNaija fan page. The first step to creating a successful BBNaija fan page is to get started. Here is how you can get started. Number one, choose your platform. Decide where you want to start your fan page on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any other social media platform, including YouTube. Each platform has its unique benefits and its own audience. Step number two is to create your account. Set up a new account. Don't use your former account, your personal account. Set up a new account or page dedicated to BBNaija. Make sure your page name is catchy and easily identifiable as related to BBNaija. Number three is to design your profile. Use high quality images for your profile picture and cover photo. Include BBNaija logos, contestant photos, or show related graphics to make your page visually appealing. Starting strong with a well-designed and easily recognizable fan page will attract more followers. Step number two is the content ideas for your fan page. Next, you will need to fill your page with engaging content to keep your followers interested. In this case, the first thing you need to do is to post regular updates. Share news and updates about BBNaija, including episode highlights, contestant news, and upcoming events. Make sure to post consistently to keep your audience engaged. The next thing is to create polls and quizzes. Engage your followers with interactive content like polls, quizzes, and questions about BBNaija. This encourages participation and keeps the community active. The next thing is to share memes and GIFs. BBNaija fans love funny and relatable content. Share memes, GIFs, and humorous posts related to the show to entertain your followers. Providing a variety of engaging content will keep your followers coming back for more. The next thing is for you to start engaging strategies for your fan page. To grow your fan page, you need to actively engage with your audience. Respond to comments. That's the first thing here. Take the time to reply to comments and messages from your followers. This builds a sense of community and makes your followers feel valued. Host live sessions. Use live video features on your platform to interact with your audience in real time. Host live question and answer sessions, discussions, or watch parties during BBNaija episodes. Number three in this regard is collaborate with influencers. Partner with other BBNaija fan pages, influencers, or former contestants to expand your reach. Collaborations can bring new followers to your page. Engaging with your audience will help you build a loyal community of BBNaija fans. The next thing, which is part four, is monetizing your BBNaija fan page. You can see the monetization aspect is coming last because you will have done the initial laying of the foundation work before you can now start monetizing. People now trust you. Once your fan page is growing, it's time to start making money. And how can you make money? Number one, sponsored posts. Partner with brands related to BBNaija and offer to promote their products or services on your page. Sponsored posts can be a significant source of income. Number two is affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs and share links to BBNaija merchandise, streaming services, or other related products. Earn a commission for every sale made through your links. The third thing is sell merchandise. Create and sell your own BBNaija themed merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, or posters. Use your fan page to promote and sell those items. Monetizing your fan page can turn your BBNaija passion into a profitable venture. Don't just go ahead and be watching for watching sake and be commenting for commenting sake. Start a fan page that you can monetize. In conclusion, creating a successful BBNaija fan page is a fantastic way to share your passion for the show and make money at the same time. By choosing the right platform, posting engaging content, actively engaging with your audience, and monetizing your page, you can turn your love for BBNaija into a profitable business. Thank you for watching Dr. Olubenga TV. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on turning your interest into income. See you in the next video. Before you go, this video popping up by the side is the next you need to see. See you in the next one. Bye.